What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into content creation, vlogging or just love high quality audio, then today's video is definitely for you. We have got something super exciting. The Portronics VlogMate 2 wireless microphone. This is a compact and affordable wireless microphone designed for both mobile devices and laptops. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you what's inside and show you exactly how to use it with both phone and laptops. Let's get started. Okay, so let's open up the box. Right off the bat, you can see it's neatly packaged. The box feels premium. I'm excited to see what we get inside. Inside the box, we have two mics, which looks really sleek by the way. It comes with a clip-on transmitter and a receiver which you can plug into your devices. It also comes with a windshield, which is great for outdoor use and reducing wind noises. Then there is a USB-C type charging cable and a manual to help you set up everything. Here's the microphone itself. It's really lightweight and the clip at the back makes it easy to attach to your shirt, collar or even a back strap. And here's the receiver. It has a USB Type-C port for charging and a jack to plug into your devices. Cool thing is that this mic is plug and play, so you won't have to worry about installing any complicated drivers. Now let's get into the fun part, setting up and using it. First, let's connect it to a mobile phone. We are using an Android phone here, but the process is almost same for iPhones. You'll want to plug the receiver directly into the phone's charging port. This works with any phone that has USB-C or Lightning port with the right adapter. Once you've plugged in the receiver, all you need to do is to power on the mic. The pairing happens automatically and you're good to go. Let's test it out. Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is a test of Portronics VlogMate 2 wireless microphone. Let me know in the comments if the sound quality is good. As you can hear, the sound is crystal clear. It's perfect for vlogging, interviews or even casual recordings. The best part is the mic picks up your voice even from a decent distance, so you don't have to worry about being super close to your phone. Same goes up with the laptop. You just have to plug in the receiver onto your laptop. Alright, now how to charge the mic? You have to charge the box using the phone charger, just like you charge your phone. The mic gets charged when it's placed inside the box. If you're looking for an affordable wireless mic that delivers great sound quality, definitely consider checking out this one. I'll be leaving a link in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. Alright, that's it for today's unboxing and review of the Portronics VlogMate 2 wireless microphone. As you saw, the setup is super simple, whether you're using your phone or laptop. The sound quality is top-notch for the price. The mic is small, portable and lightweight, making it a great choice for creators on the go. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the videos and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tech reviews and tips, music videos, travel vlogs, and enjoying celebration. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.